Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best dog grooming clippers. After hours of researching, we have selected the 5 best dog grooming clippers and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Wahl Lithium-Ion Pro Series Pet Clipper Kit. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Wahl Deluxe dog clippers feature a 2-hour runtime, which should be sufficient for novice dog grooming practice. Or, if the batteries are low, a 15-minute quick charge will provide 8 minutes of additional runtime. In addition to a long-lasting battery, the Wahl clippers have a power output of 6,000 strokes per minute, which is sufficient for cutting and clipping dogs with fine to medium hair. The Deluxe Pro Series pet clippers are powerful enough for double-coated dogs, but you may want to choose an alternative plug-in type. The Wahl rechargeable pet clippers include a blade guard, charger, styling comb, cleaning brush, scissors, and blade oil in a durable storage bag with all the necessary supplies for grooming your dog. In addition, it has 4 color-coded clipper combs. Wahl has nearly become synonymous with hair clippers, and with good reason. For more than a century, the Illinois-based company has produced high-quality grooming equipment for both humans and animals. Number 2. Highdas Dog Grooming Kit Clippers. If you're new to dog grooming and unsure whether home grooming will work for you and your pet, you should avoid investing hundreds of dollars in clippers. However, purchasing the incorrect clippers might be hazardous or ineffective. So what do? We recommend purchasing these Highdas clippers for dog grooming. They are not only reasonably priced but also effective and safe. They include a relatively quiet motor to help keep your dog comfortable while you groom it, titanium adjustable blades, and are easy to grip. In addition, it comes with a range of home grooming accessories and in 3 attractive colors: gold, red, and silver. Number 3. AIBORS Dog Clippers. When it comes to matted fur, the best defense is a solid offense. Therefore, it's crucial to groom your dog on a regular basis. But if it's too late and your long-haired or curly-haired dog's fur is matted, you'll need a clipper with a strong engine. With a motor that rotates 6,500 times per minute, these AIBORS are suitable for the task at hand. The adjustable blade cutter head guarantees the perfect length every time, while the accompanying comb blades and oil help keep the clippers in pristine condition. They can keep a charge for up to 3 hours, which is more than enough time to complete the task. Number 4. Oster Clipmaster A6 Detachable Cryogen-X. The presence of a powerful engine in this grooming clipper makes it an excellent choice for dogs with thick coats or large canines. If you are searching for a clipper for a long-haired dog, you should look for one with a motor that is designed for heavy-duty use. The motor has 3 different speeds and can reach up to 4,000 revolutions per minute when it is running. In addition to this, they are not only lightweight, but also sturdy enough to be used for extensive grooming jobs. You won't have to worry about the battery dying in the middle of grooming because they are corded. But you should be aware that the cable can make it a little bit more difficult to handle at times. They also come in a variety of interesting and vibrant colors to choose from. Number 5. Oneisall Cordless Dog Grooming Kit. The last thing you need is for the cord of your clippers to get in the way while you're attempting to keep your puppy calm while you're grooming him or her during a grooming session. This cordless dog clipper has a runtime of up to 1 hour and 50 minutes on a single battery. It comes with a cord that you can use if you need to use it before it has had a chance to charge. And it also features an LCD indicator light that will tell you precisely how much juice is left in the device. It has 2 different speeds, so it works just as well on short-haired dogs as it does on long-haired dogs, and it does both without any problems. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.